healthy. Plant your own food, don't delay. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables every day. A healthy mind in a healthy body will be your wealth all the way. Will be your wealth all the way.
Yes! Unhealthy bodies affect the production of the whole world. Weak bodies cannot work. No work, no production. No production, plenty graves.
Fire thing before this